I've been with the company 8 months. It's been very exciting. We're bringing in new products on a monthly basis, hopefully going forward, and we have really good goals and objectives with our distribution to sell.
Well, I'm looking around. I see these banners behind me. I see coolant filters, mist collectors, vacuum systems, lighting. I mean, and you go back and forth from Europe all the time to really, get the products that you think fit best. Are there any that you'd like to focus on today, or would you like to just go over one or two?
Yeah, sure. We'll give you a general idea. Basically, what we're trying to do is add value to the customer experience for Morris. So the accessories that can be purchased in the United States are established, but we're also looking to bring products, import them in that bring extra value, bring extra, let's say, production enhancements to the extra machine tool business side. So right now we have two different product lines we like to talk about. It's the work holding, tool holding, and then we have the green product lines. We call it the green product lines because these products are enhancing what we do in the machine tool manufacturing business as far as sustainability to the environment, to the plants themselves that make it more safe for employees to work with.
Let me just say, Bob, thank you for doing that. Sustainability is so important, having a green planet, taking that step, even if it's a baby step, for all the companies out there that are headed that direction, thank you for doing that. It's important to me as it is important to you as well. Let's talk a little bit more about the product lines that involve sustainability and green. I know you'd like to go over a couple of them.
Yeah, basically what we're importing with our green product line are products that are meeting regulatory demands here in the United States. So a lot of these plants that have been here for years are not up to, let's say, certain environmental standards. And the products that we're bringing in meet standards not only in the US, but in Europe. So Europe is at least 5 to 10 years ahead of us from OSHA standpoint of the air that's in the plant. So our chip recollection systems meet regulatory demands for OSHA in the United States. So plants that are shipping out chips that leak onto the streets, the actual shop owners are getting fined for that. It's not, the product itself, it's the actual shops that are getting fined. So our products are meeting and exceeding those standards. So our green products, we're seeing on the bigger capital end for the chip recollection systems, we're seeing return on investments in less than a year and a half. And that's adding like 5 cents a pound to the actual shop from their recycler. So that's a big number. Those numbers add up and they end up profitability in the long term over 2 years. So that and our other products that we're importing from the green side are making a significant difference. And we're very confident and very happy to to bring these products to the United States for the Morris Group.
So let's talk a little bit about what we call, in quotes, best in class. What does that mean to you?
We don't look at anything as something to bring in just for cost only. We bring in something that has the value to it that allows the customer to be best in class with that machine tool they're buying from the Morris Group already.
A friend of mine once told me, and it's actually a saying from his father as well, but he once told me, he said, I don't make enough money to buy cheap.
Exactly.
I must buy quality because that's what's going to last. So for the people out there who think about upfront cost versus long-term cost, investing in quality is going to ultimately be the best investment.
And that's what we're looking to do. We look to work with the distribution, with their customers to show them what the quality is compared to a product that costs less. So we know the ROI and different factors that go into a long-term capital sale. So best in class is something that we look to bring value to what Morris Group is doing overall.